Hello friends, the Asian Para Games 2023 featuring the sports persons with some physical disabilities concluded recently in Hangzhou, China. One of the major highlights of this Para Games was the armless para archer Sheetal Devi, who broke a record and also became an inspiration for all of us. So let us talk about this para games and life story of Sheetal Devi in this video.
In 2010, in Guangzhou, China, India finished 15th in the medals tally with 14 medals and only one gold medal in the year 2010. This was the fourth edition of the Asian Para Games held in Hangzhou, China from October 22 to 28 October 2020. India sent its largest contingent ever, 303 athletes, and finished fifth in the medals tally with a total of 111 medals, with 29 gold, 31 silver, and 51 bronze medals.
One participant who impressed one and all was Sheetal Devi. Sheetal Devi is a 16-year-old Indian athlete who participates in archery at national and international level. In 2023 Asian Para Games, she made history by becoming first female armless archer to win 2 gold medals and also qualified for the World Finals of Archery.
Sheetal was born with hypomania, a rare congenital disorder resulting in underdeveloped limbs, and coming from a financially backward family in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. In 2022, coach Kuldeep Vedwar learned about Sheetal Devi from an army person. He invited her to join Vaishno Devi Shrine Board Archery Academy in Katra, where he would train her in archery. She gained mastery in the sport in just 6 months.
Recognizing her potential, the Indian Army sponsored her education, also provided her some medical assistance. Sheetal uses a specially designed bow which she wields with her feet and chest instead of hands.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Sheetal Devi. In a tweet shared by the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, PM Modi is seen blessing Sheetal Devi with his right hand on the dean's head.
If you get some new information from this video, do subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. And thanks for watching.